Hey, Grandma. Hi.
Hi,
I need help with anything?
No.
Okay.
Oh, well,
Oh, you got it. What?
got what?
That.
Guess what? Yeah, it's for your birthday, though.
Okay.
For the first time he's ever come downstairs and say, "Do you need any help?" And I said, "No." And he walked around the back and said, "Oh, you got it."
That's cool.
That's amazing.
Right.
Oh, you're welcome, honey. That is amazing. The only time that you ever have said, "Do you need any help?"
There goes your birthday present.
That's the
No,
only.
I already told her I wanted it. She already said it.
But that's the only time he's ever said, "Yes, I do need help."
All right, here. Are you gonna put anything in that cupboard?
In what cupboard? Yeah, the cereal.
Here. Why don't you get that?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
This
Here.
box. One can actually go upstairs.
Well, here. Just yeah.
One can go upstairs. And then I bought the popcorn. Will be easy.
Why don't you go put those in that cupboard and then I'll just grab the rest.
Yeah, but there's some waste. Well, this pop
Well, no, just go
goes
put it
over
in the
here.
cupboard.
All right, the pop goes right over
Okay,
here.
I'll grab that.
Oh, Anthony, that is weird. I guess you were just. What's wrong? Why is the cupboard pasted together? Why is the cupboard pasted together?